So you're looking for a tutor for yourself or for your loved one. How do you use this app to find a tutor? So just have to tap on search for a tutor. Once you do that, this comes on top here. These are adverts. Okay, they can be adverts of study materials. Okay, so for example, the first one says exam data maths grade 10. So this is a pamphlet called exam data maths grade 10. Once you tap on it, it will connect you to the person offering this pamphlet and you'll be given. Others you have to pay. For example, English composition is 35 kwacha. So this one, once you tap, it will connect you to the person selling, and once you pay 35 kwacha, you'll be given this pamphlet. Then on the bottom here, these are various tutors teaching different subjects from different tuition centers and schools. Okay, so how do you search for a tutor that you're interested in? For example, if you want to start or if you are looking for someone to teach you science, so you can just type science and search for science. Okay, so there's only one tutor who teaches science, which is just science for GCE. This is not always the case, but at the time of making this video, there was only one. Okay, so in case you want to see this tutor, and in many cases there are going to be many tutors who offer in science, so you have to choose the one that's going to impress you. But how do you test a tutor? So you just have to click on them, then information about this tutor is going to come: their name, their tuition fees, the duration of their lessons, the time of the lessons, and also the rating. For example, this one has a rating of 5, which is okay, but you need more information. For example, you want to see how they teach, so you can go on try a free lesson. So when you go there will be more information here about how to try a free lesson. On top here are instructions. Then there's watch video lesson. So when you click watch video lesson here, you're going to watch a sample video lesson of this tutor teaching. Okay, then after that you can go on study notes to check the corresponding study notes of that lesson, because study notes are very important as well. So most of the times the notes are going to have an exercise at the end which you need to try, okay, or you have to try in your exercise book or notebook. Once you try, you get photos of your work, then you come back to the app on submit exercise. Once you tap on submit exercise on the bottom, it will take you to WhatsApp, where you're going to send the photos of your work. Then the tutor or teacher is going to mark. Then after that, they'll give remarks or comments based on your performance. Okay, so after seeing this, you can try another tutor, and in case this one was impressed you, in this case, let's say this one is the one was impressed us, so you can just come back, you look for them again. But again, if you just want to talk to them to ask more information, you can go on chat on WhatsApp. When you go there, you are going to discuss more information about this program. Okay, now if you are now ready to join a class, you can tap join class now. Okay, so once you do that, this is the first step in making your account. You have to create an account. So to create an account, this is the first step. So you have to enter your phone number starting with +260. Okay, so I'll use a fake number for testing. Okay, so you have to tap on send OTP. So here it may behave in 2 ways. One, it will bring somewhere where you're supposed to verify an OTP. An OTP, it's a 6-digit number that's going to be sent to you. Okay, sometimes before it brings this, it will take you somewhere where it has to test or to check or to verify if you're a robot or not. Then it will come here. In short, when you just tap send OTP, don't worry, just wait for things to happen. They will happen automatically. Okay, and they'll take you to the next stage. But in case they don't take you to the next stage, it would be required of you to enter the OTP here. So my OTP was this number. So then you tap send OTP. So after that, it will take you to the next stage. This stage is where you have to make payments. Okay, so you have to tap send proof of payment here. So once you tap send proof of payment, it will take you to WhatsApp. But don't tap this till you make the payment. So using your phone, there are instructions there are instructions here on how to make the payment. Okay, so there is Airtel number and MTN number, and the name these numbers are registered on. So once you send the money, you're going to have a screenshot, okay, as proof of your payment. Then you tap send proof of payment. Okay, so once you do that, it will take you to WhatsApp. Okay, so once it takes you to WhatsApp, you come back. Once you send your proof of payment, you come back. Then you tap on the orange button which says complete transaction. So when you tap there, you wait. Okay, so everything in this case, the proof has been sent, the transaction has been completed. So you go on next, you tap the blue button next. So now here is where now you create your profile. So you have to enter your profile pic, your full name. You just have to tap where the photo icon is. Then it will take you to your files. You download, you upload your profile pic. You write your full name, for example, Mary Chancer. Okay, then here you can choose what you want. Do you want to get a credit, a merit, a distinction? What you choose, you'll determine how the tutor is going to push you. Okay, also where you are located, for example, Lusaka, Kanyama. Okay, then here you are expected to enter the details of your guardian or parent if you have a guardian or parent, but if you don't, it's okay. Just the details of someone who can be receiving your report forms. Okay, but in case you don't have one, you don't have to write anything there. Okay, after that you tap submit, then you wait. Okay, so my details have been submitted successfully. So my account has been created. So this is my account. Okay, so even the topics that I'm expected to do are listed here. Okay, so as you can see, I did not upload the profile pic, that's why it's empty. Then here where it says Science for GCE 2025 program tuitions, if you're doing more than one subject, when you click here, you can choose each subject to see the courses and all. Okay, then of course here where it says on the bottom where it says topics to perfect, these are topics that you have not done or that you did not do well. Okay, so if you want to start class, you just go to class. You just have to tap on go to class. It will take you to class. You start learning. Okay, so every time you want to start class, you have to come to go to class so that the tutor knows that you want to start learning. Okay, so the tutor will be updating your grades. You can be coming here to see how you have performed and how you are progressing, and if you're on the right track or not. Okay, and get tips on what you can do to improve. Also, for those who are competitive, if you look on top, there is a trophy icon on the top right. So when you click this trophy icon, if in your class you're more than one, it will bring the list of your other classmates and how they are performing, who is doing well on this topic, who is doing well in this, who is doing well in this, so that you see yourself how you are faring as compared to others. Okay, again, after a month, when your payment has finished, because you pay for a month, the go to class button will stop working. Okay, because you can't join class if you have not paid. So what do you do if you want to make payment? You have to go on the top right where there are three dots. When you click there, there's here where it says payment info. Okay, so when you go on payment info, it will give you more information here. Of course, this is just a test, but it will give you more information here. And most cases, it will look like this. Then you have to make a payment. You go and make payment. And the process will be the same of making the payment. If we do that, the process is going to be the same. Okay, but it won't come like this when you have not paid. It will come just like the way it did at first. Okay, then okay, when all this is done, now you want to join, you close the app, then you open it, it comes like this. You want to go to your profile, you just have to go on student profile, it will go straight to your profile. Okay, it means your profile is set, and again you can join class just like that. So this is how to use this app.